Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Okay, this video we'll continue to talk about Bitcoin. On the previous week, we look at how is the performance, whether does the performance sink into our so-called prediction. Okay, so let's get started. By the way, happy Valentine's Day. Okay, to all of you. Okay. Okay, this is the so-called projection that we have covered for last week, from the 7th of February until the 13th of February. Okay, so this is the table. Okay, this is the date: 7 February, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, so we look at how the trend go. So you can see the trend actually not so-called much heavy movement. So in the starting of the week they went up. After that they range from there, range from 3 day. This is a ranging, hovering 3 day. Then on the 11 it went down. Okay, although our prediction is we say it's up. Yes, initial the first 2 hours it went up, then subsequently it went down. Okay. So but of course, although the daily prediction, we have to take into consideration the overall of the week, which is mean that how many days went up, how many days on the uptrend, how many days on the downtrend. We have to average out. Then of course we have to include the monthly trend, where we always have to follow the monthly trend, because it is very much safer. And the last 2 days of the week, it went down, and after that it hover from there. So from this chart of the week, you can see that actually it went up, then after that it goes down. But of course the movement is not drastic. Okay, which means that they still maintain as downtrend. Okay, so now we include the daily chart and the weekly chart. We look at the trend. Okay, because these two trends, it will help us to decide whether will the trend remain as so-called bear, or when it will start to bull the market. Okay, this actually is the one that we have just covered from here. Okay, so I just make it smaller so that everyone can see. So we look at the daily trend. We look at this line, okay, here, which means that they are trying to come down. Should the trend go down, this will be the gauge. From here he will gauge. Either it touches here, then after it will rebound. Or this is on the daily trend market, technical analysis. Then this is the weekly chart. This is a weekly chart. Here's a week, WK, and this is the daily. Okay, so weekly chart, of course, most technical analysis, they will base on this as the guideline, right? Or if we continue to go down, the next guideline will be here, because you see here a bunch of candlestick, they are gathering here, which is mean that this is the resistance point for the weekly chart. So please do careful, take into consideration this line based on our next week, which is mean that today onwards, today is the 14th of February, Valentine's Day, until the 20th. So this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay, Sunday. So this week we will do so-called a projection. So based on my projection, this week the trend will remain down. Okay, which remain down, which means that it may go down a little bit, but it just remain down, which means that you will never see any drastic uptrend within this week. So if you want to see any drastic movement, it will be at the end or this day, or at the end, the last day of this week. So this day you have the possibility of seeing so-called the Bitcoin is start to move, the actual movement, move up the movement. But if you want to expect a lot of movement, so it is not. Because this week it is still maintained as downtrend. Why? Because my projection is my project is 14, the trend will remain down. Okay, 15 it will go up a bit. Okay, which is mean that it will rise, right? Okay, then on the 16 it will drop. Okay, so I will say not drop, I will say maintain the trend, maintain there, which maintain as low trend. Okay, 17 also the trend is maintained as low, so 18 also maintain as low, 19 as well. So how many trees? There are quite a number of days, which means that the entire week the trend is it is so-called projected as maintained as low trend, right? But how much lower it will get, I will really share with you on the daily and this weekly chart. Okay, this is a guideline and this is a guideline. Okay, so so we hope to see that the trend is working on our projection, right? So on this I will still maintain and wait and see the week after this, and see and give you the so-called the rest of the movement of the month. So far the third week, this is considered the third week. Bitcoin trend maintained as down. Okay, this is my projection. Take this as a educational so-called for Bitcoin. Okay, so I hope that our projection is favorable, and I'll see you on the either the 20th of February or the 21st of February, Monday. Okay, so everybody good luck, play safe, see you then, bye bye.